How to make a playlist on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You'll be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, go to the top right corner and tap on the plus icon. Now tap on Playlist to build a playlist with songs or episodes. Here, give your playlist a name. Type in the new name, and once you're done typing it in, tap on Create. Your new playlist has now been created. Now, you can start building a playlist by adding songs to the playlist. You can add songs from the recommended songs below, or you can search for any song on Spotify that you like, and then add it to this new playlist. After adding the songs, your playlist is good to go. You can now enjoy listening to your new playlist on Spotify. Following these steps, you can easily make a new playlist on Spotify.